Hey guys, it's Kim George here from YourChicGeek.com, and I am excited to bring you guys this video that's going to talk about a new platform that I've kind of been playing around with as far as marketing books and things like that for the low content and no content books that I create on KDP. And that is going to be none other than TikTok. So in this video, guys, I'm going to be talking about why I started with TikTok, what I did to market and promote my low and no content KDP books, the tools that I use to create TikTok videos. I'm also going to be sharing, how I was able to come up with content for videos and so on and so forth. And then we're going to talk about the results. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive off into it. Okay, so why I started. So I actually started, hearing about TikTok, I think a little bit ago. I don't know if I stumbled across a video or maybe I saw something in a Facebook group, but I think I saw something in a Facebook group where people were talking about, hey, TikTok has been working for me. It is the platform that I'm using. I'm noticing an uptick in sales, et cetera, et cetera. And so I figured, hey, it's free. Why not sign up? Why not use it, to start building a brand for my books and then using it as another marketing channel right now to promote my books with. And so I went ahead and I signed up. And so I think it was last week or maybe it was earlier this week, I stumbled upon a video on YouTube from Caroline over, and I don't know the name of her brand, but I'm going to post it below, that she did on how to market your low and no content on books on TikTok. And I watched the video and I thought it was really good. And I said, okay, this is very interesting. And so from there, I was kind of like, all right, let's just go in, let's just toy around with it, and let's just kind of see what happens. Okay. So I signed up. I created a creator account on TikTok for my brand. And that kind of was the start of things. Now let's get into what I did to actually market and promote the KDP books that I have. So number one, guys, is going to be, I had to, of course, go in and start doing research. Now, this is something that Caroline mentioned in her video, and I just basically did the same thing that she mentioned, which is to go over to TikTok, go into the search bar and start typing in keywords for the type of books that you're selling. So for example, if you're going to be selling a journal, then you're just going to go into TikTok, you're going to type in journal, and then you're going to come over to the tab that says videos, and you're going to start going through and you're just going to start looking at some of the videos that they have on journals or with the journal hashtag in it to kind of get some ideas for what people are doing. As you can see, right now, there's a lot of people that I'm looking at that are just basically writing in their journals. They're flipping through the journals. They are putting stickers on journals. There's a lot of different things, but it's really, really simple stuff. And this video here has 4.6 million views. Insane for just somebody showing a writing technique. Okay. So that is the one thing that I definitely had to do. Okay. Number two was I had to come up with a content marketing plan. I had to come up with a plan of action that I could use to market my books. Now, this one kind of had me stubbed for a little bit because, when I market, I don't want to come from a overly salesy kind of position on social media. So I wanted to make sure that whatever I was doing with TikTok, that it was going to be a good mix of basically giving out some great information about a specific topic surrounding a book that I was marketing, and then throwing a little bit of a salesy kind of pitch into the marketing. Now, what I decided to do to kind of save myself some time was I went over to FIVERR.com, guys, and I found a lady, and I'm going to put her link in here, and she was phenomenal. She is who I used to basically help kind of come up with some content and some marketing ideas for, marketing the books and things that I sell. And she did a phenomenal job. She came up with these different things, these different kind of ideas. She put them all together. And from there, the kind of creativity started flowing. So anyways, I'm going to link to her down in the description box, but she did a really phenomenal job. She didn't charge much. And so when she sent over those content marketing ideas, I actually used those and I started creating the actual promo videos. And that's going to be step number 3, is to design promo videos for TikTok. Now let's get into the tools that I use to design the TikTok promo videos for the books, or for my books. It's just going to be Canva Pro. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Canva Pro. Now with Canva Pro, they have templates that are specific for TikTok. So you don't have to start from scratch. You just go into Canva Pro and you just log in and you go and do a search under the search bar, and then you do just search for TikTok. And once you type that in, okay, it's going to start bringing up all kinds of different designs from TikTok, okay, that you can use. Now in Canva, I just kind of started picking out different templates and just, based on, again, the type of content that I was going to be promoting. And I just kind of doctored them up a little bit. I added different images. I added images of the specific book that I was marketing and things like that. So I just wanted to state that. Or the next thing that I had to decide was, what kind of posting frequency and how much content am I going to be posting? I've heard, just from looking at various videos and things like that, and studying what some of the other authors that are really doing a great job and making a lot of sales have been doing, is that with TikTok, it's best to post up to 3 times a day. I'm not doing that right now because I'm just kind of testing things out. And so I kind of started off slow, where I'm just posting once a day on this specific account. Now, this is something that I forgot to mention, is that in your research phase, but another thing that you definitely want to make sure that you research as well is finding the right hashtags to apply to your videos as well. Now, the results. So far, I haven't sold millions of books. It's not been anything like that. But I noticed that with this specific book that I decided to target for just over the course of the last week, I've noticed an uptick in sales, and I've sold around 4 to 5 copies this week of this book. And this is not a cheap book. So it's just showing me what's possible. It's showing me what's possible. It's showing me that, over time and with time, and I'm still going to continue testing, but over time, that TikTok is a marketing channel that I think that anyone that's running a KDP business, anyone that's running a journal business, any kind of business that you have, that you can definitely use to market and get your books out there in front of more people. So in a nutshell, guys, I've been pleasantly surprised with TikTok right now as far as marketing goes. I mean, think about it this way. I saw these results almost immediately, and I've only been doing this for a week. So I'm just thinking, if I were to continue going and continue putting energy into the platform, continue putting out really good content, continue promoting, all of the different books and things like that I have available on Amazon, you just never know what can happen. But I just want to say to you guys, for those of you that are looking for another avenue and another marketing channel to use, is definitely check into TikTok. Check into it, get out there, market, set up your account, things like that, and just see how it goes for you, because you just never know. And again, I just want to encourage you guys to definitely just give it a try. So thanks so much again, guys, for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know that this was kind of a little all over the place, but I'm just kind of excited about this, and I am planning to again do a video that shows you guys how to go about creating TikTok marketing graphics to promote your KDP books. So be on the lookout for that, and I hope you guys take care and stay safe out there. All right, cheers.